What's going on, everybody? Got some snow on the ground, coming down pretty good outside. And yeah, it's about what time of day is it? 2:50. Friday, obviously. Weatherman, unbelievable. We were in 4 to 6 range yesterday. Now we're in an inch, if that. Weather Underground is at 1.2 right now. They've been up from 3 inches this morning down to 7/10, and now we're back up to 1 inch. So Novak weather, if you're watching this, disappointing. I don't even know how do you put us in the 4 to 6 and now you're saying barely anything. Yeah, so not too happy with the weather, guys, on this one, but still coming down, so we'll see what we get. Should be wrapped up around midnight is what they're thinking. So I got the boys starting then. You can tell by the title of this video that we had a no call no show already. That's right, the boss. No call no show. Decided to take a trip to Arizona, sitting out tanning while he just answers a phone call here or there and watches the money roll in. So I guess someone's got to run the show. So yeah, no call no show by John the Boss. But what do you do? Couple other call outs no shows, but I was made aware yesterday. A little bit disappointed in that, but what do you do? We're just gonna keep moving. So we got a couple first timers coming to help us out. And yeah, Sam Freeman, hit the follow on his Instagram. He's coming to shovel and just kind of check out and see how we run this operation. So yeah, and then we got Chase Weissy coming out, gonna help the boys, and then obviously Vince, Robbie, and Mason, and everyone else. So yeah, we might, depending on how hard it keeps snowing, we might, push a couple laneways and hit a few sidewalks at 5. But yeah, pretty much rest up, get ready for midnight. Should be fun. I got Roger going in my skid loader. ASV is going to be sitting tonight, and then I'm going to go in my truck and the Salter and kind of just make sure everyone is getting done what needs to be done. So more of a management type role tonight instead of route work, which is nice. I don't mind the route work, it's a lot more relaxing, and I can get some good content putting this GoPro up right in the door. But yeah, so probably less of that kind of content, more talking, and hopefully I have a free enough schedule where I can get some video of the boys working too, which would be pretty sweet. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys probably when the boys start showing up. And yeah, Snow Jobs Nation, hit the follow on their Instagram. Steve, if you're watching, what's up? But yeah, alrighty, see you in a bit, boys. What's going on, guys? It's about 7 o'clock right now. I just scraped 4 or 5 lots, just to make sure that they're safe. And then I got Culver's, so gonna head back to the shop, eat that, probably watch some YouTube, and then be ready to go back at 10 o'clock. And that's when the shovelers are starting. I'll probably run through some stuff with them, and then everyone else is starting at midnight still. So kind of annoying. We only got like 1 inch on the ground right now, and it's pretty much done. Weathermen don't have a clue what they're doing, and it's not making me very happy. So yeah, John's chilling in Arizona as usual, not a care in the world. So yeah, that's all I got. See you guys later tonight. All right, boys are here.
Want to get active? We got a good... How much snow you think we got?
2, maybe 2 1/4.
Decent storm, yeah.
I'm just gonna get after it. Oh, Vince, hold on, buddy. Hold on.
You stop right there.
Oh, look at him. He didn't like his comment that he made. He didn't want that posted. Mason, what do you gotta say? Shout out to your girlfriend. It's Valentine's Day.
Shout out to the girls. Maddie, how we doing?
Maddie, all right, you better make sure she watches this.
All right, I'll get Emily to watch it. Don't you worry.
See you, Vince. Yeah, right. We'll find Vince later. So yeah, going out. 10 o'clock right now, a little after we got caught up talking, but yeah. Rest of the guys are coming in at midnight, and yeah, I'll catch you boys in a bit. Can't run, buddy. What do you gotta say?
That I'm gonna be babysitting all night.
It's babysitting?
Yep.
Why?
He did the whole front sidewalk.
Sam? Oh, well, just tell him. Just say we have a machine, wherever a machine can go.
Yeah.
Okay. At least he's a go-getter.
Yeah.
What do you boys gotta say?
I don't know if I can I say that on YouTube?
Nope.
Can I say the G word?
I'm just gonna cut this, so.
Dude, no, you can't cut this.
I can cut it.
Okay, well, you're gonna put this in.
Didn't catch that. Sam, what do you gotta say?
I just hit a whole sidewalk,
Yeah, that's what I hear.
a little long one.
Yep, that's what I hear.
It's going pretty well.
Yep. Having fun. Happy Valentine's Day to your girl, right?
Sure. What
Yep.
about, what happened to...
Alrighty guys, just finished the paths. Gonna run a quick trip, get some caffeine in me, and then run back to the shop and get all the machines running for the guys. They're coming in at midnight. It's 11 right now. And then I'll probably call all of them, or if I'm still at the shop, then talk to them, tell them what each person needs to do, if I can speak. But yeah, that's all I got right now. Robbie lost his phone, found it. Classic. I'm gonna get in front of this plow truck. I wonder if that's shouldn't be a city truck. Oh, it is. Thought they were starting at midnight. I guess not. But all right, see you in a bit. Trying to get a nice little action shot here, boys. Put you on top of the pile, huh? guys, 12:45 now. Just finished up one of my residentials. Probably the trickiest thing we plow. Tight and lots of trees. If you're not paying attention, it's pretty easy to hit stuff, but old guy, nice guy, so we still do it. But gonna go hit a couple more driveways, one for Ocho specifically. You know what I'm talking about. If you know, you know. And then, yeah, just kind of hit the outskirts. Everything in town is going good, so it'd be nice if the boss was here so I could catch up with him, but you know, just in Arizona, just collecting a paycheck. He's lucky I keep him on payroll, but yeah, so gonna go hit a couple more driveways and then check in with the rest of the boys, and yeah, catch you boys in a bit. Alrighty guys, 2 o'clock now. Shovelers are cruising. They're going a lot faster than I thought, which is good. They're doing a good job. Let me show you a quick attention to detail on this lot. Yeah. Let me think here. Nick's doing pretty good. Tom is, I think, just about done actually. Wilson's about to come in. Yeah. Chris is doing good. Mike's doing pretty good, but look at this attention to detail here, huh? Look at this. Curb, sidewalk. Get some salt down on that sidewalk and on the parking lot. It'll be mint by 7 o'clock. Won't even look like it snowed here, so yeah. I'm gonna go plow one more thing, check in with a couple of people, then probably hop in the salt truck and start laying some salt down, so yeah. Alrighty. See you boys in a bit. All wrapped up. I think that's gonna be it for me plowing. So I'm gonna go hop in the salter and try and get a bunch of stuff salted. I'm gonna go check on Roger, make sure he's out of town, so that I can so I'm not waiting for him, because that's not ideal. So alrighty. guys, headed back to the shop now. Gonna hop in the salt truck and start salting, and hopefully I can run through everything at once, but I'm assuming that won't be the case, and that I will be waiting for a couple people, but oh well. I'll get through it as fast as possible, and yeah. 2:30 now. Roger has 2 more places, and then he's going to hit alley stuff and then townhomes. So he probably has like fucking 4 hours left, unfortunately. But Chris probably has 2 hours left. I'm hoping Nick only has 3-4 hours left, and Tom I would hope would be done, but he's probably still got who knows how long left. So yeah, Wilson is just starting right now. He was bartending, and now he's coming to scrape a few lots. So yeah, talk to you guys in a bit. Alrighty guys, truck is put away. Oh, temp gun is going off. Gonna shut the garage door. Let's get salting, boys. Got my water, temp gun, headset. That's pretty much all a guy needs, so here we go. Home stretch, you could say, home stretch. Well guys, I was about halfway done salting, and Mike called. Sounds like he broke a shear pin, and he doesn't have the bolt for it, so we're gonna go and put the blower on his machine, and then I'll keep on going. So yep. Alrighty guys, 3:55 now. We got the blower put on Mike's machine. Sounds like it's a shear pin, and he can't find it, so I'm not even gonna bother. He's got everything important. All the business is done, so now he just has a sidewalk, so I'm not too concerned about getting that down to complete pavement. So yeah, he's going back in town, I'm back in town, Tom is going home, shovelers are salting, and then Nick should be finishing up along with Wilson. But yeah, hopefully someone can finish up so that I'm gonna, when I run out of salt, I can get more salt. But otherwise, it's going smooth. Had a little hiccup, we're back to going smooth, so yeah. Alrighty guys, all caught up on salting. I just caught up to Nick, so he's got the entire industrial park done. He's on his other industrial park. He's got a ways to go there, so I'm gonna go run to Hudson, salt that place quick, and then go back into town, salt the stuff that couldn't have been salted yet, and then hopefully Nick is done there. If not, I can go and run out and do whatever's left for residentials. But yeah. Oh, what a day. Snow won't stop. It's kind of pissing me off, so shovelers are now salting, like I said. They're just about done though, so yeah. Alrighty guys, I don't know if you can see that, but Salter's parked. I'm currently out of salt, so gives me an opportunity to hop back in this, finish up all the plowing. I only have to salt like 3 places, so not too bad. But yeah, shovelers just went home, and everyone's pretty much at their last place, besides for me. I have quite a bit, but yep. Well guys, it's 6 o'clock now, and I was finishing up my last place to plow, and I was gonna go hop back the Salter, and Nick just called me and said that he's got no reverse in the loader and he's at a driveway, so I'm racing there because that's not good. And I am not even the closest to being a mechanic, so this should be a shit show trying to figure out what's going on with this. So yep, of course the boss had to take a vacation, but whatever. Well guys, rolled up on Nick, and yeah, I stopped at the shop to grab hydraulic fluid, topped it off, and it still didn't do anything, but it still is forward, which is super weird. So I don't know. So I ended up having to pull him backwards so that he could turn around. Now he's on his way back to the shop, and then he's gonna hop in a truck and finish up his 2 driveways that he has to do, and then we're gonna try and figure out what's going on with that thing. Really sucks, but what are we gonna do? So very frustrating. So yeah, that's all I got. Alrighty guys, 7:15 now. I'm right behind Roger in the 330. Both on the way back, done plowing everything, besides for 2 apartment complexes that we can't plow till 10 because that's when the tenants leave. So going to finish salting now and then plow those and then get some sleep. So pretty tired, as you can tell. Haven't slept in over a day, so you know, starting to feel it, but nothing a little pick me up energy drink won't fix. So yep. See the salt starting to slowly burn shit off, but gonna take a little bit of sun. I don't know if we're gonna get that, but we'll see. So alrighty guys, it's 8:30 right now. Salter's unloaded. I just gotta back it into the shop, pull this thing back in, and then I'm gonna go sleep for a few hours, go hit those apartments, and probably sleep for the rest of the day. Pretty tired, but other than the very end, the storm went pretty good. Not really many issues, and yeah, so maybe if the boss was a no-call, no-show, you know, we'd be in better shape, but who knows. So yeah, thanks for watching, and you know, maybe hit the sub, follow my Instagram, Linahan Outdoor Services, and yeah, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. See you boys.